Right now I'm waiting on bird hunting, and there's one over there in that corner area. See if I can... Kinda see him. I don't know if you can see him on here, but he's over there. I mean, I haven't seen any squirrels, so I might as well shoot a I have a feeder out. I can't really get a good shot on him right now, but I'm about to try taking the shot. Let me get a good view on him. I'm just using a nice Powerball ammunition, Phil Bond 177 caliber pellet gun. I see one. He's right down there. I'm gonna take this one. Stuff over in the brush over there. There's some more over there. I might take a couple more shots before I come over there. So I took the shot. Right over here. And I think he may have came over here. I think I missed him. Like, there's a lot of these. I don't know if there's any, but they're everywhere. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I got one bird. And yeah, so I think I'll make another YouTube video not too long. Probably upload another video today. After I shoot one, I'll load one up of the bird, and I'll just update you on how I killed it. So yeah, bye.